Welcome to our school!
Hello, we are the students of Tasagar Secondary School. We would like to tell and show you about our native school. Our school is a big, beautiful building. It has 2 floors and schoolyard and playground. We have many classrooms, a gym and, of course, a school canteen. Okay, let's go.
This is labor classroom for girls. Girls learn here to sew, knit and cook. This is a labor classroom for boys. Boys do crafting and repairing.
This is school gym. We train here a lot. Play sports, do an exercise. Health is better than wealth.
This is a classroom of Yakut language and literature. We learn here the rules of Yakut language, the poems of Yakutia writers. I love Yakut literature.
This is classroom of English. We learn English words, grammar, culture and context. I love English.
Our school named after Nikolai Nifonovich Karataev. He is a state councillor of Justice and honor lawyer of the Russian Federation. He is one of our outstanding people. We are part of him.